Stop. Before your IELTS speaking test, listen to this.
Most students say, I like music because it is relaxing.
That's a band 5 answer. Here's a band 8 answer. Music helps me switch off after a long day. I just put on my headphones and forget everything.
Same idea, totally different score.
Today, we show you exactly how to speak like a band 8 student in part 1.
Welcome to Speaklio English, the place where you practice real, natural English for real life.
I'm Marcus.
And I'm Sarah, and today's video is all about IELTS Speaking Part 1, the warm-up round of your exam.
Part 1 sounds easy, but this is where so many students lose points without knowing it.
We're going to show you Band 8 sample answers, and more importantly, we'll show you why they work.
If you're preparing for IELTS in 2026, hit subscribe right now. We post new practice videos every week.
Let's go.
Sarah, what's the #1 mistake IELTS students make in part 1?
Short answers. Students hear a question, they answer in one sentence, and then silence.
Like what?
The examiner asks, do you enjoy cooking? The student says, yes, I like cooking.
And then nothing.
Exactly. The examiner is waiting. The student is waiting. It's awkward.
And that silence costs you points.
A Band 8 speaker keeps going. They add a reason, an example, a small story, a comparison.
Right, you don't need to speak for 5 minutes, but you need more than one sentence.
Think answer, reason, example. That's the simple formula.
Let's call it ARE. Answer, reason, example.
Say it with us. Answer, reason, example.
One more time. Answer, reason, example.
Good. Keep that in your head. Let's look at real questions now.
Okay, first topic, very common in part 1, your hometown.
The examiner asks, what do you like about your hometown?
A band 5 answer, I like my hometown, it is beautiful and has many places.
A Band 8 answer, honestly, the thing I love most is how laid back it feels. It's not too busy, so I can actually enjoy my weekends without feeling stressed. Last weekend, for example, I just walked along the river with some friends. It was really nice.
Did you hear the difference? The band 8 answer had a feeling, laid back.
It had a reason, not too busy.
And a small story, walking along the river.
That's ARE in action.
Let's look at a key phrase from that answer. The thing I love most is.
This is a powerful opener. It sounds natural and confident.
Say it with us. The thing I love most is.
Now you finish it. Think of your hometown. The thing I love most is.
Pause the video. Say your answer out loud. We'll wait.
Next topic, also very common, free time and hobbies.
The examiner asks, what do you enjoy doing in your free time?
A Band 5 answer, I enjoy watching TV and spending time with my family.
A band 8 answer, I'm really into hiking lately. I started about 6 months ago and I got completely hooked. There's something about being outdoors that helps me clear my head. I try to go at least once a month.
Let's break that down. I'm really into, great natural phrase for hobbies.
I got completely hooked. This shows personality.
There's something about it that this sounds very fluent.
Let's practice these phrases together.
Repeat after me. I'm really into.
I got completely hooked.
There's something about it that
These phrases are gold. Use them in your exam.
Next question, super common, work or studies.
The examiner asks, do you enjoy your studies?
Band 5, yes, I enjoy studying. It is interesting.
Band 8, most of the time, yes. I find my subject genuinely fascinating. But I won't lie, some days it's pretty overwhelming. Right now I'm working on a big project and it's taking up almost all my time. It's hard, but I know it'll be worth it.
Wow, that sounds so real.
Because it is real. Band 8 students don't try to be perfect. They're honest.
Notice, I won't lie. This sounds human and natural.
And I know it'll be worth it. This shows positive thinking and fluency.
Say it with us. I won't lie. Some days it's pretty overwhelming.
Good. One more time with feeling. I won't lie, some days it's pretty overwhelming.
One more topic. This one surprises people. Social media.
The examiner asks, how much time do you spend on social media?
Band 5. I spend about 2 hours on social media every day. I use Instagram and YouTube.
Band 8, probably more than I should, honestly. I check my phone first thing in the morning. It's kind of a bad habit. I mostly use it to stay connected with friends and to watch short videos, but I've been trying to cut back recently because it was eating into my study time.
Did you catch that natural phrase? Eating into my study time.
That means taking away time from studying.
And more than I should. Honestly, natural, relatable.
Examiners love honesty. They're not looking for a perfect life story. They want real language.
Say this with us. Probably more than I should. Honestly.
Pause here. Think of something you do too much. Use that phrase. Probably more than I should, honestly.
Okay, Sarah, I'm the examiner now. Ready?
Ready.
I asked, do you prefer spending time indoors or outdoors?
Outdoors, definitely. I feel so much better when I'm outside. Even just a short walk changes my mood completely. Indoors, I tend to get restless pretty quickly.
Perfect. ARE. Answer, reason, example.
Your turn, Marcus. Is cooking popular in your country?
Yeah, I'd say it's becoming more popular, especially with younger people. There are loads of cooking shows on TV now, and a lot of my friends actually enjoy trying new recipes on weekends. It's kind of a social thing, too. People cook together.
Nice. See how he added, especially with younger people? That makes it more specific.
Specific details equals higher band score. Remember that.
What if the examiner asks something you don't have much to say about?
Like, do you like art? And you really don't care about art at all.
Don't panic. Use this trick. Talk about what you do know.
For example, I can't say I'm a huge fan of traditional art, but I do appreciate good design, like in advertising or architecture. I think that counts as a form of art, doesn't it?
You turned a weak topic into a confident answer.
And that question at the end, doesn't it? That's called a question tag. It's very natural in conversation.
Use question tags. They make you sound fluent. It was interesting, wasn't it? That makes sense, doesn't it?
Say one with us. That counts, doesn't it?
Beautiful. You're already sounding more fluent.
Okay, let's quickly go through the key phrases from today.
Write these down or screenshot this part.
Number 1, the thing I love most is.
Number 2, I'm really into.
Number 3, I got completely hooked.
Number 4, I won't lie.
Number 5, probably more than I should.
Number 6, there's something about that.
Number 7, it was eating into my.
Number 8, that counts, doesn't it?
8 phrases. Natural, fluent. Band 8.
Practice them today, not tomorrow, today.
Okay, let's recap fast.
Band 8 speakers use ARE, answer, reason, example.
They sound honest and natural, not perfect.
They use specific details to make answers interesting.
They use natural phrases like I'm really into and I won't lie.
And they keep talking, no long silences.
You can do all of this, starting right now.
Okay, here's your homework for today.
Pick one question from this video. Answer it using ARE, then write your answer in the comments below.
We read every comment and we'll tell you if it sounds like Band 8.
Seriously, write your answer. This is how you improve, not just by watching, by doing.
If this video helped you, please give it a like. It really helps more IELTS students find this channel.
And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that button now.
We post new IELTS practice videos every single week.
You're working hard. You're showing up. That already puts you ahead of most people.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, fluency isn't about being perfect, it's about being understood and being real.
From all of us at Speaklio English, you've got this. We'll see you in the next video.